So this is a boat that came in for winterization. We did the winterization, and as an afterthought, the guy said, I just bought it, and the dealer I bought it from said the back O2 sensor was bad. He asked if we could put it in for him. And so we ordered the sensors. The boat's winterized right now. But there's the front sensor. And the back one, there's the housing for it. Right there. But that's the back of the boat. That is jammed up to the back of the boat. You can see the wires at over a 90-degree angle, bent down. And that's probably the one that's faulty, because it's those wires weren't meant to be bent that direction. It's a Tahoe. I think we've almost got to the point we don't work on Tahoes anymore, because they do stupid things like that and like this. You can't get this flame arrestor off. I don't even know how they expect you to work on this thing. This is all molded in. And that's molded in. It's all one piece. Come on, guys. But the emissions back there is only because of that right there. If you see the outline of a California, and the California embossed over that, and it conforms to California emissions. We're in Tennessee, guys. Don't buy a California boat. I don't know what we're going to do about that. This whole assembly has to come apart to get to that. And I guess the dealer that just sold it to him, it really downplayed the problem with the light coming on, because he took it to the first lake test, and it came on, and I said it just needs an O2 sensor, the rear one replaced, and